this way. Over here, acá.
Bruno, vete. You probably smell caliente. Gentle, Bruno.
Look at him, he's excited.
Wait, Bruno.
Agarra el niño, mija. Alexa, can you grab him?
Bruno, sit.
Bruno, hey.
Bruno.
His name's Rocky.
It's your baby.
Bruno.
Hey, little buddy.
Sit.
Rocky.
Sit, Bruno.
Bruno.
Rocky,
Calm down.
sit.
You're okay.
Sit.
Michelle, no. You're okay.
So, as you guys can tell, we have a brand new puppy. It's awesome, but at the same time, it's kind of a nightmare just because puppies take a lot of your time and a whole lot of dedication, and we have a baby.
Bruno,
So, it'll be a handful, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth it.
sit, Bruno. Sit, Bruno.
Alexa, come here.
He won't do it.
Leave him alone.
What do you think of the new puppy, Alexa?
He's cute.
He's cute? Yeah, what's his name?
Rocky.
Rocky. Okay, that's good.
And then, where are you going?
Michelle? He's over there climbing the stairs.
Bruno, calm.
Bring him over here.
Calm down. Not this.
Michelle, what you think of the new puppy?
Good.
What you mean good? You like him? Yeah?
Bruno, sit. Good boy.
Oh, he knows it's a
Can I
treat.
give
Look
him a
at
soft treat?
Stay.
Sit, Bruno, stay. Can I give the
Good
baby a
boy.
soft treat?
Stay.
Stay, Bruno.
Bruno, stay.
Bruno, stay.
Good boy.
Bruno, sit.
You're good, Bruno. Sit.
Sit, Bruno.
Stay.
Stay.
No,
Stay,
mira.
Bruno.
Sit. Good boy. Sit.
Sit, Bruno.
Good boy.
Rocky.
So did he just take a long nap?
Yes, very long.
Right? How long? Like 2 hours?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait. No. Yeah. No.
Yeah, so we fed him a little bit of just his normal puppy food, and he did eat a little bit of it. I'm going to feed him here again at 6. I'm going to try to get him on schedule. I am crate training him. I don't know if you guys can see the crate. He did pee a little bit in there, but it's just the beginning. Right now, right after I took him outside, even if he peed a little bit in it, took him outside, he peed outside and he pooped. So, and now he's ready to play. Look, even Bruno's getting into it. Bruno is like super excited. I don't know, it's like if it's a brand new toy for him. Look at him.
He's scratching. I'm gonna tell him something. So when he, so you know the collar. So the collar when it
It's brand new, right?
Yeah, it's new. When it itches, he scratches the floor. He's all like this instead of his collar. Stop it, Bruno.
You giving him kisses, Bruno?
Rocky. Bruno, stop. Rocky, come on.
Look at his tail.
I love you. Hey, ow, a lot.
It's okay, buddy.
That's too much for Rocky.
He's having fun. Look at him. Say bye, Rocky. Bye.
Bye.
Pick him up.
Bye. Bye. Say bye, Rocky.
Rocky.
Say bye. Bye.